questions I just want to address before we close out today. And I know you covered some of this, but just to perhaps give our attendees a little bit more information, how many IoT systems has HMS deployed?
Yeah, so I mentioned we have over 300,000 connected gateways to our Talk to M. In addition to that, there's probably another 25,000 devices that are communicating, via private point-to-point communication channels. So, well over 350,000 devices.
And during the presentation, you focused on Azure. Does HMS offer solutions on AWS?
We do. Yep. So we support AWS as well. We can connect up into Google if we need to. So yeah, we're pretty agnostic when it comes to creating data telemetry solutions.
Excellent. And one of our attendees wanting to know a little bit more about cost. So what's the typical recurring cost of an IoT solution?
Yeah, I think when you build an end-to-end solution, depending on how much data you're pushing into the system, if you manage it yourself, I think you can get the total cost per asset down to roughly $2.50 per month, or less than $40, let's say, annually.
Excellent. And security requirements, what security requirements is HMS seeing in the market?
Yeah, I mentioned the single sign-on is absolutely a requirement. The integration of the trusted platform module is a requirement as well. Ultimately, it comes down to user management and making sure that we understand who's logging into the system and have the ability to ensure that they can only access the assets they specifically want to access.